Hi folks, Debbie Ray here, the gardener wife. So today for Tomato Tuesday, I'm going to give you a quick tour of my tomatoes. First we're looking at the ones in the containers. I also have other things in the tomato family out here, such as ground cherries, peppers, and eggplant. But I spent part of yesterday pruning the container tomatoes here, and getting some blossom end rot on these. Didn't see that yesterday. So I wasn't out in the garden for a number of days because we had a lot of rain and I was working on a paper. But here we're getting lots of good fruit. So these got trimmed and tied into their supports better yesterday. Now I'll show you what's going on in the raised bed. And here are the two tomato beds in the kitchen garden. And I have not yet done what I did with the containers, which is to trim them and get them tied up better to their supports. So you can see some of them are already escaping their supports. You know, when I can't fit it back in easily, then I just tie it to the sides. So here's another one that's escaped. This is what happens when several days go by and I'm not watching. But for those of you who are local and interested, you can come see this, the rest of my garden, the kitchen garden, cottage bed garden, and Mackinac Island garden, and in the side yard, Shakespeare Street garden in the front yard. It's all going to be on a garden walk this Saturday. See my Facebook page for details.